are here with Quarantine Kitchen.
Yes.
Our episode number 1.
Episode number 1.
Why are we here? Because we're not operating. Because there's an epidemic.
Yeah, I'm actually going a little bit crazy not operating.
And we're going to start today by making something simple that even you can make.
And that's available at your grocery store.
What today I discovered toilet paper isn't.
No, toilet paper isn't, but there's many food items. And the simple food items that most people like we'll work on today.
So today, the first one we're going to do is chicken. Chicken thighs. I like them far better than breasts. I'm a thigh man.
I like the thighs.
Yeah, I like the thighs.
They're juicier.
Much better.
More flavorful.
Yep. Like the dark meat.
I just don't like the breast.
I don't either. The key to these is you want the skin on and you want the bone in. That's where the flavor is.
So are you saying I'm not going to get to skin it?
We will let you skin them one a little later. Yeah, don't worry, we'll let
I was looking forward to that. You've just now taken surgery away again.
What do I look like, Doctor? What's his name? All right, let's get it up.
This is what I know how to do. I don't know how to cook. I know how to open things. So I'm going to open this. You let me know if I did it wrong. I'm not succeeding.
Would you like a knife, Doctor?
I better have a knife. Oh, we washed our hands.
We did.
Okay, so 2's company, 4 is a crowd.
Right.
All right.
But here's the thing. That's going to be pretty bland if we cook it like that.
Yes.
So the thing that makes things from being bland is salt.
I've got some.
Sprinkle it on. Now, everybody thinks when you put on salt like I put it on, it's way too much salt and it's a problem. This salt is just to draw the water out.
I'm enjoying it, so I'm going to go slow.
All right, pepper.
Okay, I've got one of these, and I know how to work this.
All right, let's do it.
You just turn it, and pepper comes out. I don't know what happens on the inside, and I don't know what's actually in there.
It's crushing peppercorns. When we come to episode 97, you'll see them.
All right, well, it looks good. I got that side done. Now we'll do this side. And I just do it until I think it looks like it's got enough.
That's right.
There.
You could stop here and we could cook it, but we're not going to stop there.
But there's more.
But wait, there's
more.
There's more. So you like the Middle East.
I like the Middle East. It's a spice market, and it's stuff I don't know everything about.
So there's one common spice that everybody has over there. It's called Za'atar.
Za'atar.
And that...
I got the Za'atar. I'm not sure what to do with it.
Open the lid.
Okay.
Sprinkle it on.
Okay, it comes with a sprinkler. So I'm sprinkling. And do I just do where I think it's got enough, or is there an amount?
No, that's fine. You want to put it on there. Now, if you don't have Za'atar and you have Italian seasoning, you can do that.
No, this is so much better.
It is. But some people like, or French seasoning, or Bourbon. You can do that.
Sniff this whole thing.
You can, but we'll put it on chicken. Now, my favorite spice from the Middle East is something called Sumac, which is off of a beautiful, beautiful hyssop plant. And we have some right in there.
And this has a nice sprinkler also.
Yeah.
So how much does this shall I add?
Just about the same amount.
Okay, so it looks almost like a spice I've used commonly on chicken in the United States.
It looks like paprika.
Paprika. It looks like it, only it's more magenta color.
It is.
Well, if I would guess we're going to flip it over and do the same thing
No, we're
on the
not.
other side, but we're wrong.
No, because the skin is where the flavor is.
Okay.
So now we got to cook it. This is the easy part.
So we've got a nice small pan.
Now here's the funny thing. Everybody thinks about ovens like this. These are intimidating. And in the old days when I lived in Arizona, these would heat up the house. It was horrible. And you would heat up the house and you'd have air conditioning bills. But you know what's better and faster?
Toaster oven.
A toaster oven.
I can do this because I've made toast. Can't do that.
So I have it set at 450 for 30 minutes. That way it will get done fast. The skin will be crispy. And you'll hear a beep. So this will preheat in no time, unlike this beast, which will take a while to preheat.
So this is a thermometer. I'm using this for the first time. And this is my oven mitt. And it's important to know the temperature of the chicken before you bring it out, because eating raw chicken is not good for you.
Not good.
And we don't want to give you diarrhea or worse. We want you to like this experience. And I can't cook, but I can use a thermometer.
It's not a rectal thermometer.
No, it's not. It's a chicken thermometer.
It's a chicken thermometer.
So we're going to go
Rectal.
off. Yeah, well, I don't want to wreck them. I want to taste
Oh,
them.
damn, you killed it. Go ahead.
Here we go. Okay, so so it has 76. So Terry, what temperature do I need to have safe chicken?
You want about 160 minimum.
Okay, so here we go. And 180, 190.
Good.
And the other one is 210. So those could be good.
Let's take them out.
Could be done. And I can do that because I have an oven there.
You might need 2.
You look good, Terry.
So what we're going to do is we're not going to eat it right now because it's too hot.
Okay.
But it's still cooking.
Okay.
We're going to let it rest.